Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at a new speaker that is released by Amazon. It's called Eono, supported by HARMAN sound technology. I'm very surprised by the price and the features it's offered for a small speaker. Before we get into the features, just like and share the video. Let me know what you think about the small speaker. And if you have the speaker, let me know how you find the audio is. So first we're going to look at the features. So they release 3 speakers together. So you have a small, this is going to be the smaller model, and you have the medium model, and you have the large model. First is supported by HARMAN sound technology, so going to be a good audio. Is £18, so under £20. Really good on the price. Coming only on one color, you have it only in black. 8-hour playtime. Really like the battery life. You have a dual EQ mode, so you can actually connect 2 of these speakers together. It is IP7, water and dust proof. You have a built-in mic. You can answer phone calls. Also, you have built-in voice assistant. You have Google Assistant and Siri. So very limited on the voice assistant. It does have an audio output of 4.5 volts, and it doesn't have any EQ app that you can use to control audio. So if you do want to adjust the audio, you need to use your smartphone EQ to control the audio quality. And pretty much exactly this. So 8 hours of battery, dual audio, portable speaker, a hand-free phone call, and you can connect with phones, Mac, PCs. I really like the simple look of the speaker. Already it's very simple. Quite a cheap strap. It's like a shoelace. It's not that expensive, so you can't expect too much of it, but it's very cheap strap. Micro USB, but again, it's a cheaper speaker. Let me go through the specs first. How to connect multiple speakers together. So you call the volume controls. You can have a stereo audio. Yeah, very simple user guide, and that's going to be your technical guide. And I'm very disappointed with the micro USB for charging, and I'm very disappointed with the shoelace for a strap. Very much. So definitely a metal. Really good on the build quality for a £20 speaker. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Very simple look. You have the Eono logo, and it is metal. Have the volume controls, pause and play, and power button. So if you want to put the strap, you can. And on the bottom, you have quite a lot of the logos. Charging, USB for charging, and you have a AUX intake as well. So if you want to connect it through a AUX cable, you can. Quite flush, nothing stick out of the speaker. Speaker look really nice. Powering on. So now we're gonna try the audio.
Before we say our good night, just keep your head on my chest. I think we're doing alright, though I don't love you. Before we say our good night, just keep your head on my chest. I think we're doing alright, though I don't love you yet. I love that we're together, and all the time that we spend is only getting better. And you just yet. I love that we're together, and all the time that we spend is only getting better.
In the back like Motorola flip phones. Way back when I had posters on my wall. A time and space when people call me brace face. The traumas of this life I just can't escape. It's depression every day. In the back like Motorola flip phones. Way back when I had posters on my wall. A time and space when people call me brace face. The traumas of this life I just can't escape. See what it takes to be great. Little young mind couldn't understand the stakes. I had to learn on my own how to separate from snakes. Silent screams is what I did every night. Toxic fiends with depression every day. What it takes to be great. Little young mind couldn't understand the stakes. I had to learn on my own how to separate from snakes. Silent screams is what I did every night. Toxic fiends wouldn't let me.
So it's quite a good speaker. I'm really, after listening to the songs, I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting the audio quality to be that great. I was like, oh, it's going to be a cheaper speaker with a really bad audio. Partnership with Harman make a big difference in the audio. It's much clearer audio. It's quite loud for a small speaker. I really like the clarity on the audio when you listening to like vocal. You can feel the audio clarity. It's just really good. And when you come to bass, it's quite good. Only on full volume, the speaker moves. It shakes quite a lot. Other than that, the audio is really good. Delays, no distortion with the audio. So far, watched the videos, played a few games just to see if there's audio to video delays. So far, I haven't noticed any delays. It's quite good bass for a small speaker. I wasn't expecting anything good from this, but it's a freaking amazing speaker. I really like it. There's a few things I really don't like. One is going to be the micro USB cable. It's quite an older version. I don't understand why they is still keeping the older USB for charging. Second is the strap they give you, so-called the strap. It's just a shoelace and few knots. That's pretty much it. If you're looking for a small speaker, I highly recommend going for one of these. You will be surprised with the audio quality. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you did, like and share the video, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.